As an accounting software expert, one of the most common questions I get asked about modern financial management systems, especially those designed for growing and mid-sized businesses, is about their accessibility. In today's mobile-first world, people naturally wonder, is there a Sage Intacct app? The answer, like with many sophisticated business solutions, isn't a simple yes or no for a singular, all-encompassing mobile application. Instead, it's more nuanced and speaks to the very nature of cloud-based software and how advanced accounting platforms are designed for flexibility and robust functionality on the go. Let's dive into how Sage Intacct provides mobile access and what that means for your accounting and finance operations. Understanding Sage Intacct's cloud-native foundation. First and foremost, it's crucial to understand that Sage Intacct is a true cloud-native financial management system. What does cloud-native mean in practical terms? It means the software was built from the ground up to operate entirely in the cloud, accessible via a web browser. Unlike older on-premise software that needed to be installed on your computer or company servers, cloud solutions like Intacct reside on secure, remote servers managed by Sage. This fundamental design provides the primary answer to mobile access. Sage Intacct is inherently accessible from any device with an internet connection and a web browser. Whether you're on a laptop, tablet, or smartphone, you can log into your Sage Intacct account through your preferred web browser, Chrome, Safari, Firefox, etc., and access your financial data, run reports, and perform many critical tasks. The interface is generally optimized to adjust to different screen sizes, providing a responsive design experience. This browser-based accessibility is often more powerful and comprehensive than a dedicated mobile app for an enterprise-level accounting system. Why? Because a full web interface can display more data, offer more complex functionalities, and integrate more seamlessly with other web-based tools without the limitations sometimes imposed by mobile app design. The specifics. Where dedicated apps come into play and why. While the primary access point is the web browser, Sage Intacct does offer specific mobile applications designed for particular functions, recognizing that certain tasks benefit significantly from a tailored mobile experience. The most prominent example is the Sage Intelligent Time (SIT) mobile app, often used for time and expense management. This is where a dedicated app truly shines. Imagine expense capture on the go. You're at a client dinner, snap a picture of the receipt with your phone, and the SIT app uses AI to extract key information, vendor, amount, date. This automatically populates an expense report, reducing manual data entry and ensuring accuracy. Time tracking. For service-based businesses or project-oriented teams, employees can quickly clock in and out, or log hours against specific projects directly from their mobile device, even when offline. Approval workflows. Managers can review and approve expense reports or timesheets instantly from their phone, preventing bottlenecks and accelerating processes like reimbursements. These are tasks that benefit immensely from immediate action and simplified input, making a dedicated mobile app the ideal solution. The SIT mobile app enhances efficiency by streamlining data capture at the source and facilitating quick approvals, critical for timely financial reconciliation. Beyond direct apps, the power of integration and the Sage Intacct marketplace. Another critical aspect of Sage Intacct's mobile strategy and its overall flexibility lies in its vast integration capabilities and the Sage Intacct marketplace. Sage Intacct is built with an open API, application programming interface, meaning it's designed to easily talk to other software solutions. This allows businesses to connect Sage Intacct with a wide array of specialized applications, many of which do have their own robust mobile apps. Consider these scenarios. CRM integration, e.g., Salesforce's sales team uses the Salesforce mobile app to manage customer interactions. Because Sage Intacct integrates with Salesforce, relevant financial data can flow between the systems, giving sales reps financial context, e.g., outstanding invoices, even when they're on the road. AP automation, e.g., Tipalti, Mineral Tree if a company uses a third-party accounts payable, AP, automation tool that integrates with Sage Intacct, that AP solution might offer a mobile app for vendor invoice approvals or payment tracking. Payroll solutions. Many payroll providers have mobile apps for employees to view pay stubs or submit time-off requests. When integrated with Sage Intacct, this data flows seamlessly without needing a separate Intacct app for payroll functions. Industry-specific apps. Depending on your industry, e.g., construction, nonprofit, software as a service, there might be specialized mobile applications that integrate with Sage Intacct to manage project costs, grant tracking, or subscription billing, providing mobile access to specific operational data that impacts your financials. The Sage Intacct Marketplace is essentially an app store for your accounting system. It features hundreds of pre-built integrations with best-in-class solutions across various categories, from budgeting and planning to inventory management and tax compliance. Many of these integrated solutions will have their own mobile interfaces, effectively extending Sage Intacct's mobile reach without Sage having to build a dedicated app for every conceivable function. Why not a single mega app for everything? You might wonder why a comprehensive Sage Intacct mobile app doesn't exist that mirrors the entire desktop experience. There are several reasons from an accounting software expert's perspective. Complexity of enterprise software. Enterprise-level accounting solutions like Sage Intacct are incredibly powerful and feature-rich. Condensing all that functionality into a single, user-friendly mobile app while maintaining performance and security is a monumental design challenge. User roles and specific needs. Different users, CFOs, staff accountants, project managers, sales reps, need access to different types of information and perform different tasks. A single mega app might be overwhelming for most users. Specific function-based apps or browser access cater better to diverse roles. Cloud-native advantage. The core benefit of a cloud-native system is its ubiquitous accessibility via a standard web browser. This means updates are seamless, compatibility issues are minimized, and users always have the latest version without needing to download app updates. Best-of-breed philosophy. Sage Intacct embraces a best-of-breed approach, encouraging integration with other specialized software that excels in specific areas, e.g., CRM, HR, expense management. This ensures that businesses can use the absolute best tools for each function, rather than relying on a single vendor's potentially less robust offerings in all areas. The practical takeaway. So, to answer the question, is there a Sage Intacct app? For general accounting and financial management tasks, Sage Intacct is accessed via your web browser on any device. This offers full functionality and a responsive experience. For specific tasks like time and expense management, there are dedicated Sage Intacct mobile apps, e.g., Sage Intelligent Time, designed for optimized mobile usage.